Here we're going to create HVCF and GVCF data for the assemblies that were aligned against the reference in the previous step, align assemblies. First, we're going to create a directory for the output, which I'm going to name vcf-files. The command that does this is create-maf-vcf. The first parameter defines the database directory where the TileDB is, and this is the same as what we've been using, dbs. The second parameter defines the bed file, which we also created previously in create ranges, and that is named maize.bed. Third parameter defines the reference file, and we created this earlier, and it's in updated-fastas/mb73.fa. The fourth parameter defines the maf directory, and this is the output from a previous step where we aligned assemblies, and we named that folder aligned-assemblies. The last parameter defines the output for this command, and it is the directory that we created at the beginning called vcf-files. This command takes about 12 minutes to run, and all the output is put in that directory vcf-files. After the command is finished, you can look in that directory and see that the HVCF and GVCF files for each assembly are there. There's also a file vcf-metrics.tsv that can be used to do quality control and see if any of your samples may need to be removed. There's a link in the description to a website that describes how to use that file for quality control.